Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, let's see an example program to find the biggest of three input numbers using the if-else condition. In the VS Code, I am creating a C program named big3.c. Now, I am including the header file stdio.h because I am going to use printf and scanf statement. Next, I am creating the main function of the program, and within the main function I am declaring three integer variables a, b and c, and then I am adding a printf statement to display enter a number. Next to it, I am adding a scanf statement to read the value for a. Next, I am adding another printf statement to display enter second number. Next to it, I am adding a scanf to read the value for b. Similarly, I am adding another printf statement to display enter third number. Again, I am adding third scanf to read value for c. After reading all three values, I am creating a if else statement to find the biggest of these three numbers. Initially, the if condition having two conditions, a is greater than b and a is greater than c with logical AND operator. Within the if block, I am adding a printf statement to display the value of a is the biggest number. Following it, I am adding a else if statement. For it, I am giving a condition b is greater than c, and if this condition true, within this else if block I am adding a printf statement which will display the value of b is the biggest number. Finally, I am adding the else block, and within the else block I am adding a printf statement that will display c is the biggest number. Finally, I am adding return 0 at the end of the main function. Now let's save the program, and to compile it in the VS Code, press Ctrl J to open the VS Code terminal. In the VS Code terminal, type gcc space big3.c to compile the program. After the compilation, in the same terminal window, type ./a.exe to run the program. In the output, you can see I am giving three different values for a, b and c, and I am getting the biggest number as the result when each time I am giving different inputs. Let me explain the output one by one. In the first set of input, I have given 5 for a, 4 for b, 3 for c. So the if condition will check 5 is greater than 4 and 5 is greater than 3. So condition is true. So 5 is biggest number is displayed. In the second set of input, I have given 4 for a, 5 for b, 3 for c. So the if condition will check 4 is greater than 5 is false, but 4 is greater than 3 is true. As we used logical AND operator, the if condition is false. So next it will come to the else if condition. Here in this stage we already know either b is bigger than a or c is bigger than a. So here in this else if condition we are just checking b is greater than c. If b is greater than c is true, we will print b is the biggest number. Here in our case 5 is bigger than 3 is true. So 5 is biggest number is displayed in the else if condition. Now in the third set of input, we have given 6 for a, 7 for b and 8 for c. So with our if else condition, first if will fail because 6 is greater than 7 is false, and also 7 is greater than 8 is also false. And in the else if condition, 7 is greater than 8 is also false. So it will automatically comes to the else part, and the value of C, 8 is the biggest number, is displayed. So this is how you can use if else to check biggest of the three numbers. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also please subscribe if you are new to this channel.